Has your British Airways flight been delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, you may be eligible for compensation. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to claim compensation for any British Airways flight disruption using Compensair. With Compensair's trusted service, you can avoid dealing with the airline directly, and they'll handle everything for you. Let's get started. First, visit Compensair. While you can search for it online, it's safest to use the official link in the video description to avoid any phishing websites. Once on the site, input your British Airways flight details, including your departure and destination cities, flight number, and the date of travel. You can find this information in your flight confirmation email or on your boarding pass. Next, provide your personal details, like your full name and email address. Don't worry, Compensair takes care to ensure your data is securely handled. After you've entered all the necessary information, double-check your details, then click Submit to finalize your claim. From here, Compensair will manage everything, contacting British Airways on your behalf to secure the compensation you deserve. You can simply wait for their updates. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive an email notification, and your compensation will be transferred directly to your preferred payment method. And that's it. With Compensair, claiming compensation for a delayed, cancelled, or missed British Airways flight is simple and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.